Yo, what's up, guys? What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Clean Trades. Okay, today I won't make this video long. Just want to give you guys some hints on today price action. Though I'm looking at US Swiss franc for a potential trade setup, but I haven't seen anything possible for an entry. I'll just sit on my hands and wait. But before I talk about how I am trying to take a trade on USD Swiss franc on ham, I was able to frame this setup. I'll talk about also the news we have, um, some red news folder that are tentative till further notice. So tomorrow there will be a US shutdown because of low payment of workers. Like workers in US have not been paid, and some inflation in US. So so that's why some red news folder um are tentative till further notice. So I'll be sitting on my hands as I'm watching the market also. I'll just be sitting on my hands. So I'll just sit tight. I'll just sit tight. I'll not be forcing any trade setups or any other thing. But I just want you guys to know that being a trader, being a successful trader and also a profitable trader in the market, you just have to let go of your ego and be a student of the market. Be a student to the market and don't try to overshadow what the market is showing to you. Now, due to like months of I've been in this trading space not quite long, but I feel now by lessons I feel like this trading trading rewards those who keep true to their who keep true to themselves. Say that I'm not going to do this coming to the day. I'm going to do this coming to the day. Now, what am I trying to say? Coming to the market predicting price moves that will have such things, blah blah. I want you guys to have this mindset of coming into the market without an expectation. Okay, now right now I came to the chart without an expectation. I'm only coming if the market will give me a clue of what it's going to do. I can't just come and say I'm drawing lines. That one, I'm just coming so that the market will give me an opportunity. Imagine coming to the market and giving yourself an opportunity to trade is wrong. Wait for the market to give you an opportunity for you to look for setups and trade. You get, and also risk management, risk management, risk management. Always, always protect your capital. Always protect your capital. Do not try to flip 1,000 to 1,000,000. Yes, it's possible. No doubt, it's possible in forex. It's possible in trading. It's possible to flip an amount to a huge amount to that. But when such thing will happen is when you're disciplined. You're disciplined with your risk. You're consistent with your risk. Even if you're sizing up to a risk, you're doing it in a very precise manner. You're not doing it to like to catch big moves to hit 1,000,000 in just a day. You get, and also read for their news have always been like the roadblock to my trading, to be honest. Trading news. Yes, I did that for a lesson. I got swept out, and I also learned a lesson though. I also learned a lesson. So you guys should watch out for red news folders always. They are very important in the market. They are very 100% important in the market. You should look at red folder news before coming to the chart. So for a quick one, I don't think I'll be taking any trades today. But if I see an opportunity, if I see an opportunity, I'll definitely take a trade setup. So on USD Swiss franc on the M15 time frame, first I'll come out to the H4 time frame. I think you just brought light now. You just brought light right now. So on USD Swiss franc, I think this is, let me turn it to the day. Let me put this on the daily time frame. I want to change this candle, this here high time frame, P and power tree, the daily, so I can give you guys some clues. You can see tomorrow US shutdown, so it's already on my screen. So I won't be doing anything. Tomorrow is Friday. I won't be trading on Friday. I won't trade on Friday. So on USD Swiss franc, you can see we came up from this 4 hour fair value gap and price. Right, I framed this setup yesterday on it, but I didn't record it. I framed for price to take a previous day low, and price took a previous day low. I went to the M15 to look for a possible setup, but I didn't see. I saw a setup, but I did not get tagged, so I left it. So it was an opportunity, but was not too clear to me. And also price swept out this equal highs. We had an equal highs at this point. We had an equal highs. The price swept it and started reversing. And you can see we are dipping. We are still bullish though. I'm framing a bullish bias. So my trade setup for today, I'm looking for is for price to take out um this London lows. You can see price took out London lows. This is 1 o'clock candle. That means London from 2 to 5, then New York from 8 to 11. So I'm looking for price to sweep out London lows, then then expand higher. You get now this is our new day open, midnight New York open. So we've already run higher, taking out midnight, like taking out this midnight open. Now I'm looking for a trade. I'm looking for longs on New York. So I went low to lower time frame, that M15. That is time for my time frame alignment. Then we had this. Anything that. Then now coming into M15 chart. Coming to the M15 chart, what do I see? You can see price swept out this low on New York lows. So price swept out this New York lows. That's old lows. The act as sell liquidity. Price swept out this lows. Ran out London lows. You can see that X. You can see that X right there. Ran out New York London lows. Sorry to say. Ran London lows. Then I'm expecting price. I'm expecting price at this standpoint. Then okay, after running out London lows, we had price trying to break market structure at this level. You can see I was waiting price to get at this level. You feel me? So but price did not get there. So I was as price didn't get there, we are actually forming an SMT. Actually forming an SMT right from this low. You can see this old low. So we are actually forming an SMT. An SMT though. Like SMT. An SMT. So price is reacting at that level. You can see we have an SMT there. This low failed to take out the old low at this point. So if that should be taken, I'll be expecting these highs to be run out for me to look for long setups. But if that doesn't happen, you're already having a failure swing. So you're having this failure swing, this low to fail to take out this low ball. That you haven't confirmed to me first. When we take out this high, if we take out this high, then I'll be confirmed that this is a SMT for me. But if that doesn't happen, this will get run out. I'll look for this highs to be taken. So this highs is already protected highs for me to look for longs. Now if that should happen, we'll have our standard deviation maybe from this low to this high, from the low to that highs. We have our 2.5. That will be my target. So I'll just wait for price to take out to take out these highs. Then I'll look for any PDRAs on important levels. Maybe a CISD, a change state of delivery, a fair value gap, maybe an OTE for long setups. All these highs also, we have a fair value gap. We have this highs also resting at this fair value gap. So that 2.5 standard deviation is actually corresponding with this fair value gap. Yeah. So we have equal highs, actually equal highs, or a failure swings. Yeah, we have failure swing at this size. So we expect price to run out this low resistance liquidity runs, high resistance liquidity runs, low resistance runs. I think to run out this buy side liquidity, these highs, or to perform myself. Get a trade setups. I'll this to you guys, but actually this is me looking at the chart, analyzing the chart, and waiting for it to play out. I'm not rushing anything. I'm not rushing the setups. I'm not forcing trades. I'm not forcing trade. My capital is just there sitting down. I'm preserving my capital. Zero trade. If I didn't see any trade, zero trade. The week is slightly coming to an end. Today is Thursday, so the week is slightly coming to an end. You can see right here. Don't fall back to your mistakes. So I'm trying not to fall back to my mistakes. I will just do what will make me be here for the long run, not for short term or short runs. So to wrap it for you guys, stay safe, and if profitability is definitely or actually a concern, do what's right and you get a reward. Okay guys, I like few minutes back I entered USD Swiss franc as I said. So I was looking for buys on USD Swiss franc, and you can see price has been moving in profit. I wish I can show you my entries on my MC5. I took the buys. This is my first time, like actually my first time using breaker blocks. I've not used breaker blocks, like I haven't used breaker blocks before. Like I haven't used breaker blocks before. So this is my first time using the breaker blocks. You can see what price did here. I should delete this position. Go up bro, go. Okay, you can see what we actually looked for. So liquidity was being run out as a trade. We had London loose swept. Then we had this one structural push to the downside. That's price taking our liquidity. We are still pumping. So after price took our liquidity, I was waiting for these highs to be run out. I was waiting for the highs to be taken out. Okay, fine. The highs was being taken out. Then I had this up close candle after this bearish movement to the downside. So I have this up close candle at this point. Then I drew the rectangle from the high down to the low, right? Then I waited for price to tap at it at New York section. Oh, the network is out. Network is out. Network is out. So I waited for price to tap at the actually the highs of that breaker block of that BB. Then I look for longs targeting the standard deviation. Yeah, 2.5 standard deviation. So that's where my TP is. So that's just as simple as that. I didn't actually rush it. And to be sincere, this is not actually my rules based strategy. But if I can do more refining, I will be able to be using breaker blocks as my new entries. You get this is not actually my type of entry, but I think I'll be using it for the main time. I will go back and study. If the trade being a winner, the be a loser, I'll be putting my stop loss at the low of this sector of this breaker block. So this is just it. I didn't rush any setups, I didn't rush anything. I saw it. I was like, bro, let's just use this breaker block. Let's see if price will react to it. Price reacted to it, and I look for longs. Then price has started pushing up, pushing up. to the upside. Okay, guys, this is like 12 a.m. in the morning, like 12 a.m. midnight. So I'll just wrap around this. Okay, around this trade I took this afternoon on New York section. I'll wrap you guys so you can see price hit our TP, and I made some couple percent on my funded account. Not so much, though, but we're good. So, um, sorry guys. Okay, as I told you guys what I was basically looking for the day on the energy switch bank. Let's see price, sweat liquidity. If I should explain it right back again, we have sensor liquidity being run out. Yeah, price took out this London loans. Yeah, then after taking London loans, we still sweep more liquidity. That is like is actually signaling to us that more buys are coming to the market. More buyers are coming to the market. So after we swept liquidity, we had structure shift to the upside. You can see we have a structure shift there. And I marked out this breaker block, this last upwards candle before the move to the downside. Then I draw, I point out the breaker block. Then I enter right after the tap of the breaker block. You can see this bearish candle. We open, then we close. Then I entered right after the close of the candle. Then I was targeting the standard deviation minus 2.5 standard deviation, taking out those highs. I think this has as previous day highs because today is okay. Yesterday was actually the second, yeah, the 2nd of October. And today will be maybe today is the third, yes. Today is third. Okay, today yeah was 1st of October, so we took our previous day highs. You can see the minus two deviation was is actually resting at this at previous day highs. I don't know why my PC is hanging, bro. So very nice trade, good analysis, and I didn't over leverage, I didn't over risk on this trade because this is actually my first time using breaker block. To be honest with you guys, this is actually my first time using breaker block PDRA. So I've never used breaker block for an entry before. So I just saw it. I saw okay, it looks nice. I love how price respected the highs of the candle, the highs of that breaker block. Then you see we rejected off the zone just like a break and retest. So this is like a resistance. Then price broke up. Then we tested this price, tested the breaker block. Then I look for longs, targeting standard deviation. So I'll put the screenshot of the execution. I'll put the screenshot on the thumbnail. As I showed you guys, I was not able to screenshot the trade. I screenshotted it, but I didn't save it. So that's my own fault. But if you guys should watch back, just go through the video again. This is my A plus model, So tomorrow is Friday. Today is Friday. I won't be trading today. And this is my first win for the month. Tomorrow I won't be trading till next week. So I'm wrapping up this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you actually learn how to actually do it. I'm just 18 years. I'm trading ICT concept. Today, guys, watch this video back, save it, download it on your phone, and peace out.